That goat has to have some big balls to be standing on top of that rock. Hey everybody, my criteria for saying I stopped in a state is actually stopping at a place. And I found this children's petting farm called Friendly Farms. It's mostly kids. I don't think there are any adults there, but I love animals and I had to stop. This is a beautiful state and I had a lot of fun at the farm. I hope you enjoy it. What's up, buddies? You guys have it made. I wish people drop snacks into my mouth. Get it off. You gotta wait. Wait, you gotta wait, bro. These goats are trying to pick my pocket. Somebody call 911. A lot of people don't know much about New Hampshire.
Yeah,
you know?
it's true.
So,
unless you live here. I mean, you kind of think of like New England.
I mean, it's and in some ways, like New England does like work as a general culture because a lot of people, like all
like
these states,
teams and stuff. Like
exactly,
that.
exactly, yeah. I mean, in like California, you got some teams that are in Northern California. You have some in Southern California, but here it's New Hampshire doesn't even have a like an NFL team or anything. It's a beautiful place, I can tell you that. So.
It gets really cold in the winter, though.
Yeah. What's going on, girls? Get them treats. Snacks galore. Oh, they've like dug little like beds for themselves. What's up? There you go. That was beautiful. You know what's kind of crazy is I didn't realize how beautiful chickens were. You know, I don't spend a lot of time around them, so I didn't know. Hey. Hey. happening? Where are you guys going?
Why do none like me?
Oh, did you want one?
Here, I'll help you.
Sure.
No, I got one. I'll do the
No.
She's in charge around here.
Oh, he's in charge?
She is.
Oh, she.
That's DJ. She's the grandmother. Then those are her daughter and her granddaughter over there.
Okay.
So one of those is Tina and one of those is Lucy. And then he's kind of a newcomer here. I'm pretty sure his name is Louie.
So they stick to hierarchy here?
Pretty much, yeah. As in, they'll sometimes fight over like who's in charge. I've noticed them occasionally they'll spit at each other, kind of just clash for dominance. Not really, but
Yeah,
basically DJ is almost always in charge.
These interesting ones in the back, how are they related? The two black ones?
Yeah, okay. So this is the grandmother.
Grandmother.
I'm pretty sure the one all the way in the back. No, this one here is then the daughter.
Okay.
So this is Tina here. That's
Okay.
DJ. This is Tina,
Alright.
and then over there is Lucy. She's the youngest.
The youngest.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I found the best animal buddy while I was here. Come on. Let's take a walk. Let's go, bro.